Beautiful day outside, huh? No, it's f***ing not! It's Dubai and it's hot every single Friday! One thing you guys may have not known is that I actually have like a secret code of talking to my friends. Watch this. Go, 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 go!
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so we're in the somewhere and we're gonna get some water guns. Orange for one team and red for the other. Excuse me, do you know where you can find water balloons? Water balloons. Alright, thank you.
Run.
We got water balloons. This is 100. It's kind of expensive, but it's
A few moments.
Thank you.
A few. 12 seconds.
Last one, there's a loser. Loser! Okay guys, so we're playing this water war kind of thing, alright? Here are the guns, different color guns for each team. Those are gonna be like the flags because we're playing capture the flag. Those over there are the grenades. We're gonna have two different teams. The guy who's recording right now, the cameraman, Sina, he's gonna be the substitute, so whenever someone dies, he's gonna take their place, alright? And the substitute has to go right in the beginning.
Did you pee?
Huh?
Did you pee your pants?
Shut up! Alright guys, my and Franco's base is over there. And our stone, our flag or our stone is right over here in the middle of the park basically. And reloading for grenades is right there, that green thingy. And the other stone is in between the red and the white car. I don't know if you can see that, where the kid is running. Only headshots are allowed with the water balloon and whatever. But what if you spray in your eyes?
Okay, then it's your fault. Close your eyes.
It's alright, so without any further ado, let's go. The match has started. Issa makes a move for it. Franco's hiding. The other team's right over there. By the way, I'm horrible at this, just saying. Oh, Franco's making a move for it. Seems like Team Red's planning something. Or maybe they're just acting, I have no idea.
Do I go from behind it? Yeah, go from behind it and I'll go from the other side. Okay. Done? That's it.
Alright, looks like they decided to split up. Issa's getting closer to the flag. Oh my god! They're fighting! They're fighting! Oh my god, they're fighting! I'm out! We both are out! It looks like Issa lost. Round 2 has begun. Okay guys. Oh shit, they're fighting over there. Oh my god, they're fighting again! They're fighting again! Fighting again! Do something! Oh my god, Franco's doing something! Issa to the rescue! And this is the part where it all became boring. Okay, look, we were expecting this to be awesome, but then it kind of got all boring for some reason.
Do something, guys.
Okay, guys, we're kind of not playing now because first of all, it got boring. Second of all, we got thirsty. Ow! That bitch. He's fucked now. It got super dusty. We weren't prepared at all. We didn't check the weather. We didn't bring water. It was super sunny and hot. But then again, even I'm hot, so it doesn't matter. Everyone got tired. And the kid decided to mess with these. Oh my god, they're fighting. They're trying to do something fun, but they're not doing anything fun. And then there was a freaking sandstorm. No joke, there was a sandstorm. Run! Run! There's a sandstorm. Run! I mean, look at that dusty car. The security's holding the door open. Run! Run! Guys, look at that. There's like, kind of like a dust storm. But then, you know what? We all thought that, no, this is Issa's YouTube channel. This is Issa's vlog. It's supposed to be the most entertaining thing in the whole world. We can't let it go to waste. So, we decided, water balloon dodgeball. Fire! Fire! Throw them off! Beat the big guy! Oh my god, Issa's dodging! He's so cool! Oh, Issa dodges again. Oh, he dodges again. Oh, he dodges again. It didn't explode though. It didn't explode. Alright guys, so listen, here's what we're doing. So we're playing hide and seek, and the den, the catcher, seeker, whatever, has a water gun. Whoever gets shot is gonna be out, so that in the end we have one winner left. If you get found, you have to run, and if you get shot, then you're out. Let's start! Yeah! Okay guys, we have to hide. He's counting till 50 slow.
7, 8, 9.
This is way too open. Where do we hide? Holy shit, that guy's coming. We don't know what to do. Seems like the cheetah's moving in. And the problem is he's super duper fast as well. Where'd he go? He's getting closer to the people. Issa's hiding right behind that huge white thingy. There's a big buffalo right there. Looks like I'm the missed Issa. Oh shit, they're after me. Issa made a run for it. Oh, and the cheetah found the buffalo! The buffalo's running! And the cheetah's running after the buffalo! Oh my god! Oh my god, the buffalo got caught! And there's a monkey over there. I'm just gonna chill over here for a while. Go, 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 go! The cheetah's getting closer. The cheetah can sense where the other monkeys are hiding. Hide, hide! Cheetah's getting closer and closer. And closer. Oh my god, he fought him! Run! Run for your life, monkey! The monkeys are running! My shoes are coming off! The monkey's shoes are coming off! But the cheetah doesn't give a damn! He's still gonna shoot him! I'm out! Winner gets to shoot us in the face, go ahead.
Me!
Oh, there it is. Oh, come on!
Oh, what is that? You were the den, huh? Girl, you made me caught!
We left.
बारिश हो रही है दुबई में finally!
You should have followed.
That's so hot! But then again, even I'm hot, so it doesn't matter. Yeah! Oh my god, they're fighting! The monkey and the buffalo are fighting! What, it's out of ammo! Oh, they're fighting! What are they doing? Do you want to play like that? This is full beta. Dude! My shoes! I don't care about your shoes! Okay guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like right now, subscribe, and bye-bye. Are you okay?
My life is a lie.